Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the suggest a feature option in the Remini application. Now the first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home screen, you can go to the settings at the top of your right corner, press on that, and if you scroll down a little bit you can see the suggest a feature option. Click on that, and here you can give basically constructive criticism or any kind of opinion how to help out this app, how to improve the app, and what they can do to become better. Now this is entirely on your opinion if you want to do it or not. Basically your skills, if you know what you're talking about and stuff. Like, it's up to you if you want to help them. If you're feeling generous, it's definitely worth a try. Maybe they can somehow improve it to become even better. Now for the video, this was all about it. I really hope that it was helpful to you, and thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.